Okay, here it is today, September 3rd, 2011. Backyard is all dry. I ran out of batteries, so let's see how we did in this last shooting. Got Santa here. Nice shot group. Santa. Let me back away, and then the other target. Seems like I got one bullseye. Alright, this time I'm going to use all 18 shots. Got to put the new targets up. Lock and load. Misfire. Another misfire. No, empty. Misfire. Oh, empty. Alright, let's go see how we did. Let me see. Looks like one bullseye, one on the corner with Santa. And looks like two bullseyes here. A closer look here. Yep, two bullseyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was pretty good shooting there. Okay. Show you the backyard. Santa. Traverse around here. See where I'm shooting from. That's about 20. I think it's 25, 30 feet out. Let me walk around the side of it and show you the back. the distance I'm shooting from. Finally a dry backyard. Goodbye, Hurricane Irene. Thank you for watching. You all have a nice day. Bye.